Holy crap, guys, it is hot in Taipei. And it's not just like humid hot, it's heat intensity hot. It's not like Delhi hot, it's just hot, like a heat wave hot. Walking from the station, I'm gonna try to find my hostel. But it's hot, pretty hot, hot. It doesn't look bad to drive here, honestly. But check it out. So we'll see what's up later. Hopefully I can go to Elephant Mountain and check out the views, as well as check out the night market later. So I am getting hungry. I'm pretty hungry. And I hear Taipei has a lot of good food. So I'm pretty happy about that.